Imagine keeping your entire home clean without lifting a finger. The ECOVACS DEEBOT N30 Pro Omni is a powerful 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop that completely changes the way we clean. With an incredible 10,000 pascal suction power, it handles both dust and debris from any type of floor, tiles, wood, or carpet with ease. What makes this model stand out is its TruEdge adaptive edge mopping, designed to reach corners and edges more precisely than ever before. No more half-done mopping jobs. Another key feature is its advanced ZeroTangle 2.0 technology, which prevents hair from getting stuck in the brush, perfect for homes with pets or long hair. The DEEBOT N30 Pro Omni also supports auto-lift mopping, meaning it can detect carpeted areas and lift the mop automatically to avoid wetting them. After cleaning, the robot self-empties and uses hot air drying to keep the mop pads hygienic and odor-free, reducing your maintenance to almost zero. Whether it's wet or dry cleaning, this robot does both effortlessly. If you're looking for a smart, hands-free cleaning solution with top-tier performance and convenience, the ECOVACS DEEBOT N30 Pro Omni is worth considering. Check the description below for the purchase link and bring home this advanced cleaning assistant today.